Hello friends, in the present video we'll understand labor costing solved problems based on time and piece rate system as well as Rowan and Halsey's premium plan. So in this video we will emphasis on only problems. So I will work out three problems of Osmania University level. So we will understand the problems only in this video. Whereas for theoretical concepts and labor costing concepts and premium plans, time and piece rate system formulas and explanation, I have already made one video. So that video link I will share in the I button as well as in the description box. Before watching this video, if you watch that video, you will get a clarity of how to solve the problems, right? So let me proceed for explanation of the problems. We will take the first question. So this question says Mr. X works in a factory where the following apply. Normal rate per hour is 1.5 rupees and normal piece rate is 20% more of time rate. Expected output 20 units per hour. Mr. X produces 157 units in 8 hours a day. Calculate his wage for the day on time basis as well as on piece rate basis. So the furnished information, from this information we are asked to calculate the wage on time basis as well as on the piece rate system. So we'll proceed with the solution. So first we'll take a calculation of wage on time basis. So when you want to calculate wage on time basis, what is the formula? The formula of total earnings is equals to time taken into rate per hour, or T into R we can say, right? Then apply the formula. So time rate is 1.50 per hour, in the sense 1 rupee 50 paisa per hour is the rate, and time taken 8 hours. How much time is taken? 8 hours. So total wage is equals to 8 hours we are taking, as well as into, sorry, what is the rate per hour? That is 1.5 per hour. So we have applied the formula T into R, that is time taken into rate per hour, is equals to 12 rupees is the wage, right, as per time rate system. Then when you want to calculate wage on piece rate basis, what is the formula? Total earning is equals to number of units produced, the quantity, number of pieces, multiplied with rate per piece per unit, that is equals to P into R, we can say the formula, right? Then here in the question we have provided piece rate is 20% more than the time rate. So piece rate is 20% more than the time rate. Then what is the time rate? We have 1.5 plus 20% is equals to 1.8 for 1 hour. So the piece rate would be 1.8 for 1 hour. This is per hour. So we need to convert this into time, piece rate. How to convert? Right, that is most significant here the data conversion is very important. So expected output of 1 hour is equals to 20 units we have given. So for worker who works for 1 hour, he will be given 1.8 rupees. For that he need to produce how many units? 20 units in 1 hour. Therefore rate per unit is equals to, that is 1.8 per hour divided by 20 units per hour. Therefore we can get the answer 0.09 units rupees per unit, 0.09 rupees per unit, right? Then simply apply the formula. Wage is equals to how many units we are producing in a day of 8 hours. We are producing 157 units. Therefore 157 units into 0.09 paisa. Therefore our answer is 14.13 is the piece rate. So like this we need to calculate time rate as well as piece rate, right? So I hope I made you understand this concept. We will understand, we'll take up one more question to understand Rowan and Halsey's premium plans, right? So in this question, you can read the question. Using the following data, discuss and illustrate the Halsey's and Rowan premium bonus system, bringing out their comparative merits and demerits. Time allowed it 8 hours. Time taken to complete the job is 40 hours. Sorry, time allowed is 48 hours and time taken is 40 hours. Rate rupees 1 per hour. Rate is rupees 1 per hour. So when you come to the solution, first Halsey's premium plan we need to do. So what is the formula of Halsey's premium plan? A total earnings is equals to T into R plus percentage of S minus T into R. But in this question, we have not provided any information regarding the percentage. Therefore, standard, what is the assumption? That is 50%. So S is equals to standard time. The standard time 48 hours. T is equals to time taken. What is the time taken? 40 hours. R is equals to rate per hour. Its rate is 1 rupee per hour given in the question. Bonus need to take 50% as I told you when nothing is mentioned in the question. Clear? So once you write this information, we can apply the formula and get the answer. The formula is T into R. T is 40 hours. R is 1 rupee plus 50%. 48 is the time, that is standard time, minus time taken is 40 hours. So time saved is 8 hours into rate per hour, that is 1 rupee. If you simplify the equation, 40 into 1, that will be 40. Then 48 hours minus 40 hours is equals to 8 hours. 8 hours into 1, 8 rupees into 50%, that is 4 rupees. Therefore, our ultimate answer would be 44 rupees under Halsey's premium plan. Then when you see Rowan's premium plan, the formula is 2. That is, either way we can write the same consolidated formula. So the formula is total earnings is equals to time taken into hourly rate plus bonus. For bonus, the formula is time saved divided by standard time into time taken into rate per hour. This is the formula provided for the bonus by Rowan. As well as wage formula is quite easy, that is T into R, rate per hour. Right? Then bonus we need to add, then we will get total earnings. Now how to do the problem? Solution. That is T, time taken is 40, rate per hour is 1 rupee, plus time saved. How we get time saved? 48 hours minus standard time is 48 hours. Of this, the work has been done in 40 hours only. Therefore, time saved is 8 hours divided by standard time, that is 48 hours, into time taken, that is 40 hours, into 1 rupee. If you simplify the equation further, it will be 40 plus 66.67. That is bonus. How we got 66.67? That is 48 minus 40, that is 8. 8 divided by 48 into 40 into 1. So you will get the 6.67. So therefore the total bonus, total amount of wage is 46.67, of which 40 rupees is the basic wage and 6.67 is the bonus, right? Then next question. During the first week of April, this is the long question kind of a thing, very important. This is the last and third question. During the first week of April 1997, the workman Mr. Kalyan manufactured 300 articles. He receives wage for guaranteed 48 hours a week at the rate of 4 rupees per hour. 48 hours he will work, 4 rupees per hour. It is a guaranteed wage. The estimated time to produce one article is 10 minutes. In order to produce one unit, 10 minutes he will consume. Under the incentive scheme, the time allowed is increased by 20%. In the sense what? The time which is allotted, 10 minutes, will be increased by 20% under the incentive scheme. Calculate his gross wage according to piecework with guaranteed weekly wage, Rowan premium bonus plan, and Halsey's premium bonus plan by taking 50% as basis, right? So this question we will work out. This is a long question. We have again the same question for the quick review sake, right? So we will proceed with solution. First, wages as per piece rate system, that is guaranteed wage, we need to calculate. How to calculate this guaranteed wage? So under piece rate, what is the formula? Total earning is equals to number of units produced into rate per unit, that is P into R. So number of units produced, that is 300 units. But rate per unit we don't know. That's the reason why I kept it question mark. Rate per hour we know, but rate per unit we don't know. So this is very important. Here your efficiency lies. The conversion of data, very important. So how to calculate rate per unit? So calculation of rate per unit. So in order to calculate rate per unit, we must understand, in order to produce 1 unit, we have given the time to the labor 10 minutes, but it has been increased under incentive scheme by 20%. Therefore, maximum time with the incentive plan, how much we are giving? 12 minutes, right? Then hourly production rate. So if 1 unit is produced in 12 minutes, how many units will be produced per hour? So per hour, 60 minutes divided by 12 minutes for unit. 60 minutes is the total time for 1 hour. 12 minutes for 1 unit. Therefore, in a 1 hour span of time, 5 units will be produced, right? So when we produce 5 units per hour, then we can convert this rate per hour, that is already given in the question, 4 rupees per hour, will be converted into rate per unit. How to convert? Thus the piece rate is equals to rupees 4 rate per hour divided by 5 units per hour is equals to 0.80 per unit is the rate. Rate per unit is 0.80. So the same value we will take at question mark, 0.80. Then is equals to, we will get 240 rupees is the answer. So this is the answer for guaranteed piece rate system, that is 240 rupees is the wage will be given to the worker. So most significant is conversion of data. Data should be converted as per our required manner in order to simplify our calculation, right? Then we'll take up the next one, wage rate calculation of total wage as per row 1 premium plan. So the formula of row 1 is, these two formulas already we have discussed in our earlier question even, that is total earning is equals to T into R plus bonus, whereas bonus formula is time saved by standard time into time taken into rate per hour. This formula consolidated can be written, instead of 2 we can write the formula like this also, T into R plus S minus T by S into T into R. So like this also you can write the formula. You can consolidate total, that is earnings plus bonus. So simplify the equation. When you simplify the equation, so time taken is already given in the question, that is 48 hours. Rate per hour is given in the question 4, right? But we don't know standard time. What is the standard time? We need to calculate standard time. So estimated time for producing 300 units, that is standard time, how much we need for production of 300 units, that we need to calculate. How to calculate? For production of 300 units, what is the standard time we need? That we need to calculate. So for 300 units, we need to calculate how much standard time. For that's the reason why I applied the formula 300 units into 12 minutes per unit divided by 60 minutes in 1 hour, right? So therefore, if you simplify the equation, we will get 60 hours. In the sense, in order to produce 48 units, the standard time requirement as per incentive plan with the increase of 20% is 60 hours. In the sense, the time taken is 40 hours for production of 300 units, but what is the time allowed that we calculated, that is 60 hours. How? That is 300 units into 12 minutes divided by 60 minutes. So 60 hours is the time that we need to produce how many units? 300 units standardly. Once you get this, apply the formula. Into 60 is the standard time minus 48 hours time taken divided by 60 is the standard time into 48 into 4. When you simplify the equation, you will get 230.4, right? So 48 into 4, right? So please wait a moment, here it is a mistake. It should be plus, it's not should be multiplied here, please bear in mind. It should be plus 48 into 4 plus it is. So please bear in mind this is plus. So when you simplify, that is 230.4. Then next, Halsey's premium plan we need to calculate. Halsey's formula, total earning is equals to T into R plus percentage of S minus T into R. Right? In this question we have given percentage 50% even. So when you simplify, T into R 48 into 4 plus 50% of 60 minus 8 into 4. When you further simplify, 192, that is 48 into 4 plus 60 minus 48, that is 12 into 4, right? 48, that is 50%, is equals to 192 plus 50% of 48, that is 24. So we'll get the answer 216 is the answer. So in this way you can calculate the problems, right? I hope I made you understand. Just a slight mistake here is, instead of multiplication here in this row 1 plan, you need to put plus symbol. I hope I made you understand, right? So if you have any doubt, please do put your doubt in the comment box. I would be glad to clarify your doubts, right? Thank you very much for watching the video. Please do subscribe my channel, Mentor the Trusted Guide, and motivate me to make more qualitative videos. The objective of this channel is to make education accessible and free to everyone, right? So thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel, motivate me. All the best. Wish you success.